Hi, this is Brian Pasch, and I have a special offer for anyone who wants to build their confidence with Google Analytics. In January, I created a special 2-day course and invited members of the vendor community and the dealer community in the same room to learn how I use Google Analytics data to make smarter marketing decisions, to be more consultative with dealers, to show your value proposition more clearly, and how to optimize marketing budgets to sell more cars in a digital age. The course and the 2-day program was very well received. The feedback I got was just, well, overwhelming. And so I'm doing the course again. It's a 2-day course in New Jersey, June 11th and 12th. You can come for 1 day, or you could come for 2 days. The second day, we're gonna get into more advanced topics like Google Tag Manager and attribution, and also working a little bit more in depth with events and goals. So if you are part of a sales team, a customer support team, or a product team, or if you are a marketing manager or a digital marketing manager at a dealership, this is the perfect time to sit with your peers, get together and learn with me the techniques I've developed over the years to help hundreds of dealers improve their marketing investments. So what are you waiting for? Follow this link and get registered for the Google Analytics workshop that I'm giving in New Jersey, June 11th and 12th. And remember, it's a beautiful time to be in New Jersey. Our office is located just 10 minutes from the beautiful Jersey Shore. I hope to see you there.